Mike Featherling with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. Today we're at Sushi Station in Elgin, Illinois, and we're going to be raising about 150 feet of sidewalk here today. And you know, we do a lot of commercial work. We do a lot of jobs for financial institutions, schools, healthcare facilities, and restaurants. And you know, aside from focusing on providing quality, long-lasting, and economical repairs, as a company, we pride ourselves in putting health, safety, and cleanliness at the top of our priority list. You know, and I think that's why a lot of places like Sushi Station rely on us for these types of repairs. So we're going to get busy here. We're going to raise, like I said, 150 feet of sidewalk, and we're going to get most of this done before they open at 11:30. And when the restaurant opens, you know, the sidewalks are going to be completely usable. No one will even know that we were here, except the fact that the sidewalks are raised and leveled. So we're going to run through a couple of quick time-lapse videos and show you some of the work we're doing here today, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.